Wagwan YouTube, welcome to the Jamaican Recipe Queen, where we cook with love and passion. Today, my families, I will be making some pumpkin shrimp Talkari, and you all know it's Ramadan, so this is one of my favorite Ramadan special. Okay, so let's season our shrimp. So I'm going in with 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 2 teaspoons of garlic pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of fish seasoning. Okay, so we just want to mix this around. I am going to go in with 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Also going to go in with 1 tablespoon of curry. I am using the Better Pack curry, but you can use the curry of your choice. Okay, so here I have my wok on the stove with some oil, and I'm using vegetable oil. So we're just gonna go ahead and add our shrimp to the oil. Alright, give it a little bit of stir and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. Alright, so after you stir this for about 5 minutes, we're going to go in and we're going to add some water. And I'm adding 3 cups of water. So here I have gone ahead and I have cut up some pumpkins. You want to cut these nice and thin because we want these to mash out in the gravy. Yes, this is what it's going to give the gravy a nice thick Talkari consistency. All right, so you can use pumpkin or you can use squash. It's your choice. So now I'm going to add a teaspoon of minced garlic, some fresh thyme. Okay, so next I am going to add some pimento seeds or mixed spice. Okay, so we're just gonna leave this to cook now until the gravy is a little bit thicker than what it is right now. As you can see, the pumpkins are starting to mash, and yes, that is exactly what we want. Okay, so when you see things start getting nice and thick, you're gonna go in now and you're going to add some vegetables. So here I have some red bell peppers, green bell peppers, some white onions, and some green onions. So just give this a stir and we're gonna leave this now to cook for about 5 more minutes, and things are gonna start looking thick, rich, and lovely. It is smelling so good right now. It is about that time, families. Yes, it is looking absolutely amazing. Okay, it is at the perfect consistency. You don't want to leave this on the stove much longer, because when this get cool, it is going to be even thicker than what it is right now. And you see this consistency right here? Yes, this is what you want. Thick, rich, the pumpkin. Ooh, you gotta try out this recipe, guys. You can serve this up with some roti, or you can serve this up with some white rice. It's up to your choice. If you love this recipe, please hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think about this pumpkin shrimp Talkari recipe. Would you be trying this out for Ramadan or any other occasion? Let me know. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscription button and turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, God bless you all.